A special moment for Kerala as Kerala is all set to get its first Vande Bharat train, and in total this is the 16th Vande Bharat train. And here is the special ticket of this inaugural run. So a special ticket for a special moment for Kerala. So the first Vande Bharat train for Kerala will run between Kasaragod and Thiruvananthapuram, and right now we are inside this special Vande Bharat train. And if you see the theme, the entire look and feel of Vande Bharat train looks very luxurious, and which is all set to transform the traveling experience. So this is the chair car sitting arrangement, having a composition of 3+2 sitting arrangement. The seat color is blue, and if you see, this is quite a comfortable seat with better cushioning. Leg space that has been provided is quite comfortable. You can put your books over here. The tray that can easily be unfold and fold so that you can enjoy your meals. If you are standing, if you are passing by, then these sort of sturdy bars have been provided. You can hold it and then you can pass it. These are the seat numbers which have been indicated even in the braille system that has been indicated. Similarly, if you see, these are sensor based light. If you want to just read your book or enjoy during the travel, then just by touching you can switch on or switch off the reading lights. Similarly, the entire coach has been equipped with the CCTV camera. The LCD and the LED monitors have been placed to provide correct information on real-time basis. So there are multiple features which will definitely make the traveling experience of the passengers much more comfortable. Now this Vande Bharat train will run between Kasaragod and Thiruvananthapuram and will cover the distance in just 8 hours 5 minutes, whereas the Rajdhani train takes around 10 hours 30 minutes. So this will definitely save time because the Vande Bharat train is lashed to run at an average speed of 130 kilometers per hour. Now let me talk about the fare structure. The chair car will have a fare structure which will cost you somewhere around rupees 1530, whereas the executive class will come for around rupees 2820. But all in all, the Vande Bharat train is very comfortable because the feedback that has been provided by the passengers for the last 15 Vande Bharat train is very that makes quite comfortable, and this is the reason that is this train. The Kerala, the people, they were quite waiting for this train, and now it is all set to run between Kasaragod and Thiruvananthapuram.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.